Welcome back to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. Let's get started. Today we're going to look at how you tighten your motorcycle chain. Now it's important to keep the proper tension on your chain to prevent slapping and accelerated wear on your sprockets and chain. To find out how much slack you should have, check your owner's manual or the diagram located on your chain guide. If you need to tighten it, loosen the rear axle nut slightly, loosen the chain adjust lock nuts, and turn the adjuster bolts counterclockwise to decrease slack. Align the index marks of the axle plates with the same reference marks on both sides of the swing arm. Tighten the rear axle to the specified torque. Now, if necessary, turn the adjuster bolts counterclockwise until they touch the axle plates slightly, then tighten the chain adjuster lock nuts to the proper torque while holding the adjuster bolts with a wrench. Now, if this is perhaps a little too complicated, you can always give your local Honda dealer a call. They're always happy to help. Okay, let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for a Honda multi-tool as well as the first aid kit. Question: which Honda motocross racer has the most wins of all time? And how many national championships did he win? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.